Did you know that the average smartphone lifespan is now less than 3 years, contributing to a growing mountain of e-waste? This rapid turnover of electronics is not only a drain on our wallets but also a significant environmental challenge. Hello and welcome to Learn Home Automation. Today, we explore how embracing local control in your smart home can help reduce e-waste and protect the environment. E-waste includes discarded electronics like computers, smartphones, TVs, and gadgets, often obsolete due to software issues. By using devices that don't rely on cloud services, we uncover how you can save money, enjoy smart tech benefits longer, and make a positive impact on the planet. E-waste often contains toxic substances like mercury and lead, which can be harmful to the environment and our health if not disposed of properly. According to CNN, the world generated 62 million metric tons of e-waste in 2022, a number expected to rise to 82 million metric tons by 2030. In the same year, only 22.3% of e-waste was collected and recycled, with this rate predicted to drop to 20% by 2030. Additionally, the value of metals embedded in discarded e-waste in 2022 was estimated at $91 billion, including $15 billion worth of gold. However, many countries, including the US, lack comprehensive e-waste policies, and enforcement remains a challenge globally. Improper handling of e-waste can cause severe health issues and pollution. A large portion of e-waste ends up in landfills where toxic substances leach into the soil and groundwater, contaminating ecosystems and posing health risks. Informal recycling burns e-waste to extract valuable metals, releasing pollutants like dioxins, furans, and heavy metals, contributing to air pollution and respiratory issues. E-waste contains valuable metals and materials. Recycling these materials prevents the need for new raw material extraction, which is energy-intensive and can destroy habitats, erode soil, and pollute water. Several companies have discontinued devices that were still working, leading to unnecessary e-waste. For some of the more well-known examples, in 2016, Google shut down the servers for the previously acquired Revolve Smart Home Hub, rendering it unusable. In 2020, Wink announced that users had to pay a monthly subscription fee or lose all functionality in their smart hub. In 2022, Insteon shut down its services overnight, leaving all Insteon hubs useless. The same year, iHome shut down its iHome app and cloud services, ending support for several of its devices. Local control in the smart home involves using devices and systems that do not depend on cloud services to function. This ensures your system works even without internet, improves privacy, and speeds up responses. Furthermore, local control extends device lifespan. Your smart home system stays functional even if the company's servers shut down. You can keep using your devices as long as they provide value and the hardware still works, reducing e-waste. If you're interested in implementing local control in your smart home, here are some tips to get started. Select a hub that allows for local control and processing, such as Home Assistant, Habitat, or Homey. Select devices that support local protocols like Zigbee and Z-Wave for direct communication without cloud reliance. Look for devices with local APIs that offer direct communication between the devices and your hub. To reduce e-waste beyond local control, plan your smart home purchases carefully to meet your needs and maximize benefits with fewer devices. When upgrading to something more modern, consider selling or gifting older devices that still work to extend their life and reduce e-waste. Embracing local control in your smart home reduces e-waste and protects the environment. Use devices that don't rely on cloud services to enjoy smart tech benefits longer, minimizing your ecological footprint and saving money. Tech giants often remove control with updates, degrading features and user experience. Local control ensures your devices remain functional and valuable longer. Consider local control ecosystems and evaluate how companies handle older devices before purchasing. These steps help reduce e-waste and create a sustainable future while enjoying smart home benefits. And that's it for today. Have you ever experienced a company discontinuing a device you owned? Do you think tech companies should do more to extend the lifespan of their devices? I'd love to hear your thoughts, so why not leave a comment below? Thanks for watching, consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time.